In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of anonymous users on Google Docs. Let's get started. Now, when we talk about anonymous users on Google Docs, we're referring to people who can access your document through a shared link without explicit permission. This typically happens when a document is set to allow anyone with the link to view or even edit it. If you're looking to tighten the security on your document and prevent any anonymous viewers from having access, I'm here to guide you through the process with ease. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Google document. You'll find the Share button there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open what's called the Sharing menu. This menu is your control center for managing who can see and interact with your document. Within this menu, you'll notice a section labeled General Access. This is where you'll manage the broader settings regarding who can access your document. In this section, you'll see an option that reads Anyone with the link. This setting is often the default when you share documents, making your document available to anyone with the link, hence the potential for anonymous users to pop up. To change this and secure your document from anonymous access, click on Anyone with the link. Here, you'll be presented with two options, Restricted and Anyone with the link. To prevent anonymous access, select the Restricted option. By doing this, you've ensured that now only those individuals you've explicitly granted permission to can view or edit your document. These permissions can be assigned individually by entering emails of the trusted contacts you wish to share your document with. Once you've selected the Restricted option, don't forget to click on the Done button. This is really important because it saves the changes you've just made, putting you back in control of who can keep an eye or hand on your document. And that's it. With these steps, you've removed the possibility of anonymous users having access to your work on Google Docs. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a big difference in maintaining the confidentiality of your documents. That concludes our video for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful tutorials. Also, give us a like if this video made document security just a bit clearer for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video.